In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to improve your skills in general in your life, because I have seen people that they say that try to break your limits, try to come out of your comfort zone, try to work hard as much as you can, sit long hours. And in my past 20 years of freelancing as a user experience designer and UI designer, web developer, I have learned few lessons, and one of them is that don't overuse your body. Your body is an asset. Your health is the biggest asset in your life. So if I say that, if I compare anything in the world, I think the most precious thing is going to be your health. Your muscles, your body structure, your discs, your neck, your everything. If you start getting any problems in your back or your muscles after overuse of them, I think this is abusing your body. So stop saying in tweets or in different internet posts that try to push harder. It is not going to be like that. If you want to achieve something, you have to climb step by step. Don't try to jump and fall and break your knee. I would always say that persistence and consistency is going to outperform any jumps you rabbits make. Okay, so if you want to be a rabbit, I think I'm not going to recommend it. Try to be a turtle, slow and steady, and do your work every day. And don't try to overuse your body. I think if you are in your prime, like you are 20 to 30 years old, you can work 8 hours a day. But after 35, I don't recommend that you work more than 8 hours in your daily routine. I think you should reduce them to 4 to 5 hours maximum. And beyond that, I think 40 plus or maybe 50 plus, I think you should reduce your work time and divide it with something else, like maybe managing people, maybe meeting different networking or something else. So try to replace your workload, because your body is not going to stay the same during different periods of your life. So try to focus on one thing you want to master. Till the time you are going to reach 40 plus, you are going to be well known for that skill. So it is when you have experience, the money will come. So don't try to run after money by sacrificing your health. Okay, so this is the biggest lesson I have learned in my design career, or my freelancing life, that I used to work like 13 hours or maybe sometimes more, 12 to 13 hours on my computer, and I used to sleep something. Sometimes I used to get like this on my keyboard at night. So all because I wanted to make more money at that time, and I was getting like $13 per hour. Okay, at that time, like it is like 11 years ago, I was getting $13 per hour for my design work, and I had a load of work. And after that, I actually get sick, my fingers, and I got tendonitis, multiple tendonitis in my different fingers, and I get neck issues, neck compression. I have disc backbone compressions. So there were a lot of things which I really regret, that I should have worked less, like maybe maximum 8 to 10 hours, not more than that. I had to rest at that time, which I really neglected. Whenever your body gives you something, some signal that it is getting weak or it has some pain in some area, always address that issue first, because this is the starting sign of that you are going to get some issues or problems or tendonitis in your fingers. Invest on your chairs a lot, invest on your desk height and everything, invest on these kind of wrist rest wrist pads, for your keyboards and your mouse, and try to visit doctors or physiotherapists whenever you get some issues or when they are starting. So once they get worse, it is very difficult to recover back or get into the position when you were in the younger age. So this is my advice for all the designers, UI designers, UX designers, freelancers, and even web developers, web designers. They all have to, listen to this. So make sure you stay ergonomic. Your position, your everything is going to be ergonomic. Take breaks, like after 1 or 2 hours, take a 5-10 minutes break, and you will be fine, I think. So this is all. This is my advice for your life as a freelancer, as a UX designer, as a UI designer. I hope that you are going to value this and you don't make the mistake which I did. Okay, we'll meet you in another video. Till then, I'm going to say goodbye. I have a small team now because I cannot do everything myself. So I have a web developer, and junior designer, and video editor, everything around me. So if you have any project related to user experience design or SaaS UX design, you can contact me on these two emails and phone numbers, and I would be really happy to discuss. You can have a discussion, free discussion or discovery call with me for 15 minutes, and I would love to see how I can help you with the user experience design or product design for your SaaS or AI or whatever project you have in your mind. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.